Hello and thank you for joining us today. Today it is part 2 of our legal advice series, and we're going to discuss the new law that's been rolling out across the nation, the Fair Pay Acts. We are not attorneys. This is not legal advice, but we think it will be very helpful. Welcome back, and again, thanks so much for joining us. We just came back from a conference for our firm. We are ranked number 9 in the country in terms of size of recruiting firms nationwide. And we've got about 450 plus professionals in 90 different divisions and fantastic legal advice. And so we are going to talk today about the Fair Pay Acts and the latest updates on where that is holding. In case you're not familiar, there is a discussion around pay inequality that still exists between men and women. And the question is why and what do we do about it? And what's been proposed is that we should not ask people what they are earning. If you ask them what they're earning, the idea is that they will then tell you, and you'll start from there in the negotiation process, furthering whatever inequality already exists. What does that mean for us in our interview process? It means that no forms can be handed out to candidates where you're asking, what are you making? You can't ask a candidate for their W-2 in terms of what their pay stubs are. You can ask them, what are you looking to make? And if they volunteer their information, that's totally fine. And you're allowed to take note of that and use that in the negotiation process. Here's an up-to-date list of which states have rolled out this law and which counties and even which cities. So here you go. We've got California, Connecticut, Delaware, Hawaii, Massachusetts, Oregon, Puerto Rico, and Vermont. The 2 counties so far that have adopted this in New York are Westchester and Albany counties. And in terms of cities, we've got San Francisco, New York City, and Philadelphia. Although we do want to point out that Philadelphia is currently being contested in the higher courts. If you have any questions about anything we covered today, please feel free to reach out via email or use the link below to schedule a time on our calendar. We look forward to answering any questions you may have and being of assistance. Until next time.